How to set up Contabo VPS. Log into the Contabo website, go to the VPS section and select your desired plan. Choose the data center location. Select the operating system such as Windows Server or Linux. Pick additional features like extra storage, backups, or control panels. Review your configuration and complete the payment. After payment confirmation, you will receive your VPS login details by email. Log in to the Contabo Customer Control Panel. Use the control panel to start your VPS. Set the root or administrator password if it is not already set. Connect to your VPS using SSH for Linux or remote desktop for Windows. Update your operating system and install security patches. Install any software or applications you need. Configure firewall and security settings and test your server. Thank you for watching.